Is the reference I want. Somewhere here only, right? Down only. Oh, okay. Let's see. Okay. Uh, this must require. Okay, I've saved everything and everything is locally available. So just continue. Okay, let's start. So, and if you have doubts or you want to ask something, ask me like whatever you want, but don't call me at 11 o'clock. No? 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. And Sunday is holiday. Somebody called. So for everyone, at least like even I have a life outside AID, so give me respect. Okay, start. So we were blocking out the head. Lips are really bad. If you want, you can definitely use the base method. That's fine. Build up. And so initially keep it as low as possible. Do not increase polycount on the side. And like there will be characters like maybe whichever you're choosing, there will be characters is asymmetric, right? So asymmetric in nature. So create it in symmetry initially. Once you finish with the entire thing, like basic detail and everything, then bring the symmetry. That's how it works. So for all the asymmetric detail, we'll do it in layer, not in directly on the model. So we create a layer here and then break the symmetry, so that I can control everything. Even if I want to need to change the basic shape or structure of the model, I can fix that in my actual model and asymmetry or all those symmetrical detail. I can do it in here. I can control everything. Because like why we follow this process is in industry, because for like most of the time, like most of the studios, they are like in India, they have a external creative director or creative head. So we have to send our file there. Need to approve it and then we forward it to client. So what happens if you like create all those things directly on your model? You have to redo the entire thing again. If you do it in layer, you just have to delete that layer and fix it, or maybe edit the layer. That makes more sense, saves time, and in case one day you are not available and somebody else have to work on it, it makes their life easy, like Photoshop. So it makes everything easy and it's a teamwork. So everybody should be able to work on it. So like that's what we have to plan always. Okay, now let's add muscle information. Like under lips, we have these two muscles. You can see like anyone, if you have those two muscles, right? It's visible. It's clearly visible. Everyone has it. Either it's prominent or subtle, but it's there. So always you need to add that. But this is not there. So until unless you have this, it will look odd. I don't. I forgot the name of this muscle. We are getting old now. A couple of them are online. 7. Ritik is online, no? It's online. Okay. Maybe join. Okay. So Africans, they usually they have broader lips, and this is a little outside. So protruding outside, like as compared to other native races. Yes, little broader and nostrils a little bigger. So more like right. Hmm. They're like more look like orangutan. So, like that's a racist comment, but huh, yeah. That is again, I don't know. I doubt that. There were other species. Huh. Only species. Heads. No, that's so like. Like, this is like again out of context. Like, is it possible to like we have all animals, creature like they evolved, right? Any other species, they have their ancestors still alive. Like we have orangutan, we have chimpanzee, right? We evolved from them. So how come there is still chimpanzee and orangutan? Even actually, it was not. I don't know. Yeah. Because they evolve everywhere. Evolve, right? It's evolving, like survival of fittest, right? We evolve, so everybody evolves. So why they're still there? Maybe interest all the like those things are Homo sapiens were there, Neanderthals were there. There's so many, but those everybody is extinct. Nobody is there around. That is because Homo sapiens killed the others. So why chimpanzee is there? Because chimpanzee doesn't have the intellect to kill another person. The 2% difference in the DNA does everything. No, no, no. Just a basic what this thing. This thing came to my mind because I follow a lot of this thing. Aliens and what do you call it? I love it. I watched everything. Even I like they have this site now, Gaia. So I follow that also. So a lot of stuff makes sense. A lot of stuff makes sense, and a lot of stuff doesn't make sense. But how? So the science relies on this. That is what it's assumption. It's not truth. The assumption can be anything. I can assume, okay, like I evolved from an ant. So, like, no, like I'm saying, like assumption, no, it can be anything. Those things are fix everything now. Muscles and all. Bones slightly higher. And females have higher cheekbones, males have little lower cheekbones.
No, I want to ask something. What about sometimes you cannot judge like how you can judge in the cheekbone. I have a problem. Go ahead. Like when I make a male, I can get the likeness to an extent in the style itself. But the same when I do the female, especially the cheek area, sometimes not able to tell.
That is like with like practice. You go. In female, forms a little softer, like not that defined. And males usually have very like defined shapes. But usually, this is again not a standard. Usually, most of the time this happens. But now you have like a bodybuilder female. They have very defined muscles. Everything is very clean and clear.
And your body weight is okay. Body
Facial features. So that is something like we practice only. So basically, like few things. Nose. Like whenever we create nose, next to nose there's a depression. This goes slightly inside. So if you make it flat, it will look odd. The slight depression, and you can see like I can definitely add more polygons. I use Damson and create it. Don't do it initially. Detailing is so easiest part of sculpting is detailing. Get the shape right first, then add detailing. Because detailing will be using alphas and all that's like super easy.
But then now since you are used to doing like some people like us, we need to add all that, right? So that we can confirm that someone.
Like try to add go with this basic muscle. Add the muscle structure first, wherever it's supposed to be. Add those things, then soften it or make it permanent slowly, slowly. If you add details, then it will become
Details
difficult.
the structure now.
That is like in this reference, you can see it's actually not there. It's almost smooth. There's a little depression, and this thing is protruding outside. You can see very clearly. Those things are there. You can see this like next to lips. There's a bump. You can see, and again there's a depression. And you have to like, and this is something. If you have a image, colored image, and there will be a lot of cases, it's very difficult to judge, understand those depression and up and down all these things. Easiest thing, convert this into a grayscale. Remove color, it will become more easier. That is something in industry we do a lot, most of the time, because that makes our life easier to, because there's no color, there's no destruction. Now you can see depth and all the highlights easily. Oh, yes, exactly. That's what we do always. This over here I can see the structure from over. One thing is jaw, and to fix it. Fix this thing. Here. Control, Shift, Alt, all together. Yes. Okay, okay, give them. Don't give it to me. I'm diabetic. I cannot have it. No. Okay, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yay, happy birthday to you. You're from which batch? Oh, 211. Okay.
These people are your seniors.
They're seniors, yes.
Give them more.
I'm diabetic, I'll die. Huh? So. So, and one more thing you will notice, like I never work on one part continuously. And switch between reason. If you keep working on one section, like your brain is not able to judge like what to do. So always change. Don't add detail. Change your place and fix everything, and then go back to the place again. We have this uh, white with the full board. Right? So we will broader. No, that line is usually the same. Like they have this line, right? That is in means. People don't.
But
Some people have, yes, they definitely have it. But like suppose even if I create this, I have to soften it, make it soft. So that's what. Like all the muscle bones is there. Oh, do you guys know a number of bones? How many bones we have? Okay, because like this year, from PFA 171, somebody said 356 or something. I don't know. This is a primary school thing.
we counted all the fragments.
But you know who talked about.
Yes, left side pose. Our head is more of egg shape. It's not like round, and back of this thing, it's slightly broader. You have these 2 points. Slightly broader. Slightly down, not that. Nostril is clearly visible. Yes. The tip is not here, here, somewhere there, because nostrils are visible slightly. Shape is different. Nose. It is on. Okay, so like few things I need to check here. Because like no matter what I do, I'm not able to understand this correct or wrong. So what I'll do is I'll add those couple of jewelry, neck thing, head piece. See, if the thing is different. Huh? Yes, yes, of course. Otherwise, like no matter what I do, I won't be able to understand. It's correct or wrong. Like, I'm not saying what so I can do it. So I need to add those things, basic details, tubes. And something adding is like pretty easy. So we have neck, and neck is slightly elongated. You can see like clearly the reference. It's like they have those things, they add those rings and they make it little, like push the shoulder slightly down and it's a little longer. In her case, it's slightly elongated, not too much. And this is something kind of looks natural. So I can see number of rings, one. And this is something in game we always, whenever you're creating anything, count it. If you have a reference, try to create everything same. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. I guess 9 or 10 I have rings. So that is something I can append a ring very easily. Or if I want to modify them, because this ring thickness, I can see it's quite thin. It's not very thick or broad. So what I can do, I can go to any of this and right click, change this to a ring. This looks like quite broad, right? So I can reduce it here. Right. Make it thin. And this looks kind of fine. So once this is fine, Polymesh 3D. So I have this model separately. I'll go back to my model. And these are like all separate files. There's no connection. They're not subtools. They're separate files and subtools of this. These are subtools of this file. Now I want to append something. I can definitely append something from here very easily. Open. Append. You see, this is the default one. This is what I converted right now. It's alt click on the model. Select the model. It looks quite kind of thick, right? We have 10 of them. So I'll just modify something here. It looks quite good. Neck is quite thin and nice. Something like this. Even thinner. So place it, and based on this, I'll modify neck. Instead of, because the ring is metal, you cannot modify that. You cannot like change the shape. So we'll change the neck shape. So, and like suppose I feel this is like way too thick, I want to reduce it. I don't have to go back to the same model. What I can do is I can go to deformation and just inflate. I can go minus inflate. I can reduce it, inflate. Right. I suppose definitely minus maybe 1. Minus okay. Just simplify minus 1. If it's not enough, 1 more minus 1, modify. So inflate basically inflate the model. So you can go minus to reduce the model. And we have an inflate brush. If you try to do it with inflate brush, it will be wobbly. It won't be accurate. So use deformation. So I duplicate this. I can what I can do is Control Shift D, duplicate and move it, or duplicate same Control Shift D shortcut. So you can do this or Control Shift and just simply drag it. This basically this will stay within the same subtool. So and if you do Control Shift D to create a separate subtool. And this is a very basic simple shift, so I'll create same subtool. So 2 are there, Control Shift again. So 8. डबल कर दिया ना हाँ देखिए आएगा 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 फॉइल मॉडिफाई हम्म
makes the object
No. It's create a separate subgroup. If I click this one selected, if I click duplicate, it will create a separate subgroup. Duplicate same model, separate. If I hold Control and Shift and move it, it will create a duplicate within the same subgroup. Previous one, yes. So I duplicated this. I can see like I have extra, so those two extra things I'll delete it. So let's fix the neck first. That is so like हाँ टेन से ज्यादा हो गया 16 नहीं just 12 हाँ I can control it very easily.
You can choose to move out how much range you want.
Yes. If it's simple. नहीं
He moved 4
it's 4 ना so it become 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12
4 हो गया
ओ 16 हो गया है, बहुत ज्यादा हो गया
सर तो 4 मूव किया उसके बाद फिर खाली तुम मूव नहीं कर सकते
नहीं कर सकते फॉर दैट यू नीड टू मेक अ सिलेक्शन हाँ तो दैट इज लाइक अभी राइट नाउ यू सी शिफ्ट एफ सारा एवरीथिंग इज सेम पॉलीग्रुप if there is separate polygroup I can select very easily. If there is no separate polygroup, so what I'll do now, because I need to delete at least 6 more, right? I'll delete 6. So what I'll do is I'll go here, polygroup, click on auto polygroup. So everything is separate now. Rainbow color ban gaya hai. This one, polygroup, auto polygroup. So based on your elements, we'll group it. So each and every model is separate polygroup. So now I can select it, hide it very easily. So Control, Shift again, click.
Last
Last one is individually, yes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 7 9 3 more.
लास्ट के आज मैं वो भी
पॉलीग्रुप अलग करना पड़ेगा उसमें तो मैंने अभी सारा सेपरेट कर दिया है I don't know, I can see 9 only here. Let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Control Shift and like okay, how this works? We Control Shift and click on any polygroup. Initially, whichever polygroup clicked, it will isolate that. If you click it again, it will hide that. Reverse basically. Then again, if I keep clicking, so वो एक एक करके सब hide करता रहेगा. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9. Now I go to geometry, modify topology, delete hidden. So it's correct 9. Shift F. Let's fix this now. थोड़ा सा this is like not good at all. I should slightly broaden the base. थोड़ा सा. Yeah.
Male base. This was a male base. So the next is
Yes. No, even this ring is supposed to slightly like not straight.
yeah. Like funnel.
So what I can do, Control, click and drag. It will select, invert it.
So yeah, the second.
अच्छा हाँ default that is also. Yes. दिमाग में नहीं. We have a deformer.
तो वहाँ पे भी तो होता है
हाँ?
अभी जो आपने
उसमें वो पूरे को करेगा ना।
हाँ, पूरा ही होता है।
नहीं नहीं वो ये इंजन है इतना बड़ा तो ऐसा सेफ्टी जैसा करेगा तो
FFD लेकिन फिर increase है।
पूरा पूरा लाया होता है।
But it will affect पूरा था that. Okay, I'll do it normally only. And for like easiest way, what I usually prefer is get a mask, blur it out. Okay. कुछ नहीं किया कंट्रोल सेट करूँगा make it select them right. This happens all the time. Okay, so selected. And let's see if I can blur it out. Masking, blur, but it won't work, or maybe I can grow it. It won't work because they're separate, individual this thing.
but they're not split right they're still in the same factory.
वो काम नहीं किया वो that's I can control with move to. Count it. Always the key from set round. आज चल क्या रहा है हाँ बिल्कुल क्लास के बाद like if you have doubts I guess this week we have everyday class from next week we might not have हाँ like holiday na, because of holiday so so next week we'll have class Monday Tuesday Thursday Friday so you can ask me all your doubts after class or Wednesday you can come here you can ask me hmm?
Then holiday will be for July.
Fix those things. Okay, so we now I can just cut it off from here. So I moved it, height here and then I moved it. That's why. Definitely we will sell that. Fix करना पड़ेगा. So we can create a separate body also. Fine. It will be much easier. Like that's easier process. Okay, let's see. We have this here. There's a band. So there's a band, you can see. Okay, okay, this band is there. So create those things really quickly. So that is something what I can do is like to create this kind of band, I can just mask it and create it, or I can use a curve strap brush and generate it. Any one of them, both are fine. So, hmm? Okay, curve strap. Just for the ease. So for curve strap, make sure your model don't have any subdivision. Otherwise, it won't work. So I don't want to delete my subdivision. So what I'll do is I'll duplicate the model. Control Shift D for freeze. Yes, I can use freeze also. Control Shift D. That's what I prefer. Because freeze, mein what happens? Sometimes when you unfreeze, for distort water, it makes distortions. That's why I prefer to duplicate the model, isolate it. Maybe I'll lower, higher. I'll delete. Because this is my like I already have backup. This is my like just to create this strap. Lower division, higher division, delete kar diya. Now we have curve strap C. It's a default brush of ZBrush, and symmetry is on. So I can just simply start. But there's a problem with this curve strap is that from wherever you're starting, it will create two separate bands. So you can use switch off your symmetry, or suppose I want to create this strap perfectly here. The easiest way, select it, like wherever you want to like generate, Control W. So what happened? It's created polygon. Now the strap, click and hold shift, and then click it again, and now you can change the size. But that is all, like with remeasure and all, we fix it. This basically gives you whatever the selection based on that, to create a perfect strap without any problem. Size change करने के लिए. So like suppose that if I want to increase or decrease the band size, इसको बढ़ा के brush क्लिक किया, बड़ा हो गया. छोटा करना है, as long as this spline is active, this curve is active. And to deactivate this, just click on the body. Yes. And there's one more thing. If you like if your brush is here and you resizing it here, it won't work. It won't work. It won't change anything. If you have to change it here outside. So it's there and click here. Done. Now I have this scalp area is a little bit polygon. So if I group split, this will split this one. I don't want that. So Control Shift, click on this. It's hidden. Split, split hidden. Separated. Two different parts. And now, if you feel like this is not a perfect and I want perfectly symmetrical, the easiest way is something called mirror and wet. Click it, and then you can remesh it. And this, suppose all these corners are not very clean, I can create this thing like this. So I'll just invert it first. So just Control D, D. But still the strap. I need to hold this shape. Remodeler. Yes. Remodeler. Just click here. Either I can crease it or I can add a loop here. By default, it's in add or remove edge. What happens? Separate it, right? वापस कैसे आ गया? Very strange. Shift F, select the strap again, symmetry off, drag and then hold shift. So if we create some, fix it. It's fine, it's like way cleaner. So we click it here, hide it, click hidden, separate it, and this thing I can control V I can do it, or it will shape border. Two loops. I can do it, but you see it's not very clean or even. It's really uneven. So Shift D. If you want to make it really clean and smooth, the easiest way, go to deformation, something called polish by feature. It basically works on the edge, smooth all the edges. Cleans everything, move up, up, up. Okay. Now, let's create a basic this thing here. So, in this case, I can see in this reference, particular reference, we have this afro, this hair plus this dreadlocks. A two set of this thing. That means I have to create two set of hair. One for this dreadlock, one for this. And these dreadlocks are basically cylinders. It's just simply cylinders, nothing else. Let's create dreadlock. I duplicate this thing again. Separate, nice. Delete higher, all higher level. Delete. So now I want to create those dreadlocks. Duplicate mesh. Shift F, check, duplicate mesh, two mesh. Okay, do mesh. Shift F to take polyfill. No, for detailing not required. Like suppose you want to generate something on the surface. Like I mean, to use those curved brushes now to generate another curve. Those cylinders. So for that, base mesh should not have any subdivision level. Either you can freeze it, or you can delete it, or you can duplicate this. I keep it duplicate. So in case I mess up something, I can always go back. That's right. So this doesn't have any subdivision level, nothing. And there's something called curve tube. This is like default brush of Z brush. And there's a new thing is there. There is plane. This is for alpha cards and all. You can directly drag and create this thing very easily. But this is like a new, I guess, for 2021 only. They'll use this on two brushes. So I can use curve tube, and if I go to stroke, curve, it's already on. Snap, I can switch on. That's anyway, it won't change anything. So now this thing is visible and symmetry. Like symmetry will switch off, and based on the brush size, we create the cylinders. And one more thing I can note, I can see here, tip of the dreadlock is slightly narrow and thin. And if I create anything here now, to the same thickness, I can reduce the size. I can do that, but it's not tapered, right? So I need to taper it. So for doing this, go to stroke, modifier. There's something called size, which is not active. Activate this, and this basically starts from your tip to root to tip. So you have to flip this. Flipped it, and it can go and click it again. it creates this shape. So this is like VA to pointy and narrow. So I can go back and make it less narrow. It looks like deadlock. This is how we create all those deadlocks and everything. Or maybe like all this jewelry and all these things you see, how we generate one by one. And as we can see in texture, it's all baked. This is not in model. It's all baked. Let us think quickly. Quick save. Hmm. Like I use clay buildup to add all the volume to reduce. I don't add any cut or loop or anything. There's no detail. I try to avoid any kind of detail initially. Once I'm like basic structure is ready and I'm happy with it, then I'll start adding detail. Okay. So now this is anyway this line is not correct. So I'll do it. Fix a shape. It starts from somewhere here and this is something that can be like this. Okay. Click anywhere, get rid of that spline, and before creating another one, I'll move it and place it first. I can do it later also, but like I'll prefer that. Check the left side. It's all left from left side, it's almost straight. So to match it from both the sides, front and side. Go back to my curve strap again, the curve tube. Hmm? Reduce, optimize करूँगा बाद में. अभी तो this is like just basic shapes. Hmm? कर सकते हैं. Time लगता है. Usually this kind of character, they'll give you like maybe 1 month, 1.5 months. Depends like client again. Like if you sometimes like Disney and all they give you like 4.5 months, 5 months. No, for finishing the entire character, start to end. Retopo they won't give you 4.5 months. Retopo is like maybe you can use a month. You have 1 year, yes. The shit क्या है? It's nice or what? Not nice. Shit क्यों बोल रहे हो?
I had to only make one vessel and with four. That time it crashed.
This and plus this is fine, but this strap position is not correct. Symmetrical switch on.
I do not follow. What is it? That mixer thing doesn't have bacon.
Still in beta version. Baking is there. It's there. It doesn't work properly. So baking in Marmoset or somewhere. But Quixel gives you amazing results. 3D Code is very good software and it can do a lot of things. Only problem is, like in industry, rarely, very few companies use it. But it's a very good software. Very good software. You can sculpt, you can texture, you can model. A lot of things you can do. It's a very good software, but 3D Code. Not you could model also. You can texture also. It's very good software. But limitation is. Huh. Even like for freelance, like usually company they provide you the software or license and such a thing. Very specific system. This, so for this here, deadlocks. So I have to create this here. So one is I can use Fiverr Mesh. I'll be using Fiverr Mesh. One is like I can generate lines, splines, and do it in XGen. But for this is the game pipeline, so I'll create alpha cards. And that is again.
I said that course that I
haven't checked.
Yeah, so that
Alembic Cache is splines only.
yeah, so that was the work. That was an Unreal Engine.
Now, Unreal can handle it, but games cannot handle it. No, like movies and all, like because Unreal now we are using in movies and production, right? So for that we can definitely use it. For games, games cannot handle it. Hmm? Unreal was for games only. Now they are using for movies. There is a new technique. Now there is a new technique, LED screen, visual production. So they basically in real time they create a scene and project it on the LED screen, and actors and actors they act in front of that screen. They shoot everything in live, like everything. No VFX required, nothing is required. They shot it there and there, background, everything is. So they have lighting, reflection, everything is in real time. That saves a lot of money. But thing is, to set up something like that, right? We have a green room now, right? So we initially planned something like that, but there's no budget, so you cannot do it. There's no.
Not too much power.
Okay. So for this, I need alpha first. Fuck कर लो इसके वाले से. So I need alpha quickly. Wardrobe 6,000. Not. Okay. Not very good. For that, you need Titan.
No, I mean, Titans are no longer in production.
Really?
Yeah.
So what's in production now?
What the RTX Squadron came out.
What?
And
RTX Quadro came out. I'm not aware of this thing.
yeah, RTX, the new Squadron came out. Sorry.
Yes, I'm not aware. Okay. Okay.
Titans are out. He was the last one.
That's correct. So let's last. One place. I want to create alpha. Dreadlock. So for the dreadlock,
But then I actually made one that
hmm,
but then how to wrap it exactly around the cylinder so it looks like an actual dreadlock. It's plain, it's flat.
no. Dreadlock is basically a cylinder. It's basically a cylinder, and there's two alpha. This individual shape of dreadlock. And then we place a plane here, center, and then another plane like this. So whichever side, like you have this billboard and glass and all. One cylinder, one two of alpha cards. So what happens? This one is like really low point. And this one have a little bit extra pointers. So it bends nicely, and this one have alpha. This is solid. How it works. हाँ, cross करके लगाना है इसके center पे. So from whichever direction you check, seeing it, you can see the alpha. It looks like
because once I put it on a cylinder, there can actually see it from another side.
okay. Let's create grid blocks. So, like for this, like this after here is usually curly, right? This is really curly this here. So what I'll do is, it will be that's right. Oh, why people change all this? I don't understand. You can control this with pen now. Use some random alpha.
No, this one is
Alpha. I'll use it as texture and it will create alpha cards for me. And then I'll refine my alpha card and then add texture. Hmm? Really? Okay. Because Telugu script and Odia script kind of similar. No? No? हाँ लिखना kind of देखने में गोल जैसे दिखता है ना मेरे को. I don't know, like yeah. Okay. नहीं और तो बिल्कुल सेम ही है. Roughly, yes. So this one, if this again two different methods, I can use this as a texture or I can use it as an alpha. For alpha, I need to save this as PNG. I need a PNG like this to use it as PNG. So I can make this thing full, full black and export it. This one. Okay. TGA supports alpha in 32-bit. PNG supports in like in that doesn't have any alpha channel. And it's within that channel. It supports alpha. I don't know how to put it. Okay. So for this is my head. I put it this. Not this head. This is number. I'll use this. 5, 5. Okay. Hidden, mixed in, separated, and I want to create those here. The easiest way, mask it, upside beam. Like bees, I'm creating bees first. For bees, we have a lot of dreadlocks here. So I'm creating a like, basic bees. Fiber mesh. And in fiber mesh, we have a deadlocks. Like we have this what do you call it? Curly here. I don't want it. I just need basic here. For this and rotate the model. But this is like I can definitely control gravity like after applying it. But I like to keep it like this. Preview. So based on direction in the like this thing, screen, it will generate here. Direction. You see this direction. It's a beast. Gravity is down always, right? So these are this thing. Now modifier. So I can control number of fibers less because I'm going to use alpha cards. Length, I can definitely increase, make it slightly narrow, slightly tapered. So usually like here is like that. And now we have width and all. Length, I can control slightly like more than enough. Coverage. Alpha cards, huh? So we have like I have this PNG, so I can import this one. Oh, I have to flip it. Sorry. What is it? Yes, sir. Anyways, like it's random only, doesn't matter. Yes. Hmm? It's already unwrapped by default. For unwrapping, it's supposed to unwrap a specific unwrap, like separate all the things. Right now, everything is overlapped together. It's not showing me anything. It's showing me alpha. Wait. Why do not see the texture? If I invert this, still it will be black only, right? JPEG don't support that thing. Okay, anyways. Alpha, I don't know, like usually if I apply a PNG, it shows alpha directly here. It's not showing. Save the thing. That's not a good thing. Or let's save it as PNG. Still nothing. Nothing is correct. The more than also zero, yes, zero, is fine. You can see this direction. It is still theta. Right. And what is this? So what is the increase? So now I can control this to be a little bit. Length reduced, but density is way too much because games have to control poly count also. So maximum fiber is reduced. This is way too wide. Huh? It reduce, you know, one more than enough. So what is it reduced slightly? It is like it size planes. Okay, so whenever it's down, if you're happy with it, why you can just see this? Okay. See it. I'll just invert this and save it. Oh, fine. But alpha is not visible here, but at least I can see my texture randomly generated. If I'm like, suppose now I'm happy with my this thing, except now I have to groom this here. And you can see there's something called a groom brush. If it is G, all groom brush you can see. And long hair, short hair. I'll use short hair for this. And make sure add like enough subdivision so that it can modify it. So now this thing is ready. Now I have to groom this thing. If I try to use this brush now, you can see it will mess up everything. So to fix this, you have to change, modify this thing. Fiber mesh brush. Length preserve is 100% is there. Like it will preserve the length. Forward propagation means forward like effect. How much effect input is there for forward, and backward inverse is also there. Stiffness, like this is something to reduce to be like little soft, and there's something called front collision. Like because there's a specific collision, there's a distance between the scalp and the hair. That is something you can reduce. So 50 is way too much. That is something you can make it like 5 or something. 5 or 10, if you just walk around. It's again depending upon your scale of the mode. So just check it like whatever is working with this. Now, this is still affecting a lot. Collision reduction, I don't want. So I can see it a little bit. 0.7. Too much, too much. too much. Too much. Much. Too much. Fine. Just fix this. Direction changing. If you want, you can use symmetry also here. Symmetry also works with this. DMP, move brush, control the it's will be around volume of hair. And no matter what you do, root won't change. Hmm? हाँ वो अल्फा मैंने नहीं इसको मैंने पीएससी में सेव कर दिया विदाउट अल्फा तो शो नहीं कर रहा था तो कुछ भी नहीं दिखता था सी सकते now इसमें here two things I have to fix you have to push this here inside this BDS cam standard this brush now now can use the brush and modify or I can use smooth also smooth with edges this thing or I can fix this thing in Maya also. If I get the basic structure, basic hair. It's supposed to start a little bigger than this and brown. and those two like this bunch, this thing I'll create separately. I'll create a base model here, base volume, some like spherical shape, and top of that will generate the same thing. It will save polygon because otherwise, if I try to generate this thing like with one plane or like multiple planes, it will increase the polygon. If I have a solid geometry, because I cannot see through anything, right? And then corners I can have others. Like something 50, something. Standard. So I'll add more details after this, like we'll add the virtuality and then start modifying the structure. So now, attendance. Wait. This is, oh, I need to access it. You have access to Moodle that body. नीचे चार लोग जो हैं, okay, then. Tomorrow I'll by tomorrow I'll fix everything. Moodle. Okay.